Finally. Now I got Tomorrow Never Dies 007 edition on DVD. I could finally watch it. Don't watch it. Wait, who said that? I am James the Red Engine. And this DVD has an MGM DVD logo on it. It's scary, trust me. Oh my goodness, it's James the Red Engine. And you're telling me there's an MGM DVD logo, it's scary? Just watch it and see for yourself. Okay, let's take a look at the DVD. There's... What? Oh my gosh, there's an MGM. Just put the disc in and just watch it. Ugh, fine. After taking the DVD out. Alright, time to push play. Ready? There we go. Oh. There we go. I put the DVD in. There you go. See how scary it is for you. Okay, let's see how scary this is. There we go. Oh, no. Don't go past the circles. Don't go past the circles. Wait, don't get the line. Don't get the line. Don't get the line, please. Ah! Told you.